Yeah, man. See people them look food, yeah. Yeah, man. That's how we have to come out and look food, you know. We have to tell us, look at the gate. A whole heap of people today. Food where I look, man, because over here so we get little food, you know. Difference from my family, friend them, and family them are foreign. We send a little money, come give, we can buy food. That's how you go. Otherwise, you have to come here so come look for food. Yeah, man, over I school that. So I school the food giver, so we have to turn up by the gate and beg little food.
BLACKGEO, when you watch our shorts, this is our correspondent. He showed us some footages from care packages being dropped. Can you explain those care packages that you showed us on the shorts?
Yeah, those care packages, they're coming from the private sector.
So all of those are private sector helicopters?
Yeah, they're private sector from Kingston. And some of them will come in like the bus, the big bus from Kingston, same way. But some of them send it in the plane, the helicopter down.
Wow. So the footages that you sent to us, it looked very military style, but it was actually private organizations that's dropping food down.
What happened now? They take the military in, like the Jeep come around and wait, because they have to share the food. Because remember, the food is not sufficient for everybody, so that will cause another war. So they have to have the soldiers to hand the food out.
Yes.
Yeah, because remember, if you just put it on like that, everyone is going to rush it.
Yeah, of course.
So they have to have the soldiers. That's why you see soldiers around. They're only for sharing the food and the police.
Yes. If you're ever up to date what's going on with Buja Banton, I mean, we want to apologize of what's going on with what happened with his care package that just landed in Jamaica. You know, it's a critical time. I mean, you want to trust the next door neighbor or the people that you want to help. That's why I'm working with private people like Junior here, and you want it's people here who just, you know, they want to go out in these cities in Kingston and Westmoreland to help, and we hear stories like this. You know, people are getting robbed. You know, care packages are not.
I hear about it.
Yeah, money is not being reached to the people. I mean, millions of dollars donated to big organizations, and it's still not reached to the people. So, you know, these are stories that we're hearing constantly.
Yeah, because all those stories what you hear, that's true. Because listen what happened. If you send it in those big organizations, it's not going to come to us as a little poor guy. So if you have your friend and you want to send things down to him, when you send it, that's the time you get it. When you send it to those big guys, they put it in their pocket and they don't spread it out. So no love show. So they put all of it into their pocket. But when you send it down to your friend, that's a different thing. A lot of people donate to the government. But donate to the government, we're not getting nothing. So if you have a friend, you send something so he can eat, he can drink, he can help fix the house up. I remember I tell you, in my community, we don't have no board house live. Only the people with the concrete structure. But what happened now, we try to do a little thing, like the boards and stuff, we try to take them up. The second and zinc them, we try to put them on the roof. So if the rain fall hard, it still will leak into the house, but we can't do better.
Yes, of course.
So when time turns, we can buy like a new zinc and change them over, but now it's not the time for it. So we just got to use those old zinc, put on the house, get the old boards, and try to button up somewhere to sleep.
Yes.
I remember, if you're in someone's house for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, the 5th day they give you a different face. So you know you're going to have to go on your own. Sometimes they don't really tell you about the face, what they show to you. You know you should go.
Yes. Yeah, that makes sense. Is the soil able to rebuild crops, homes? I mean,
we're gonna have to reset back everything. Most of the boats, reset them back because they're down. The soil is good same way. The soil don't damage, but it's only just the building and damage.
Okay, so it's a structural.
What happened now? We have no trees though. We only have some trees stand up, but nothing on the trees.
Wow. So your the neighborhood structure has changed. The landscape.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. When you look, it looks strange to you. If you've been to my community and you come now, you wonder where you're at. Because everything looks very strange. And the tree, you don't see one leaf on the tree now. No leaf and no trees. All the trees, they're down. And who stand up? Nothing on it. It only stand up with nothing.
Yes.
We have no breadfruit tree. We have no banana tree. We have no mango tree. They're all down. So, you know, that's going to be like a very step back down for us.